The cutest thing in the world is to watch. Mia's got this death grip on this bag. She's been carrying it around for probably half an hour already.
Come here, girls. Just get with mommy. You got it? I've let go for a minute. There you go.
Good girl, Mia. Do you want me to carry the bag? No? You see? Owns the bag.
I love it. Come on, guys. Come on.
Come get your picture.
Are you ready? Take a picture. Come on. Mia, you ready? Okay. Here we go.
But we were going to play in the bouncy castle, but there are too many big kids in there, so we decided it would be safer not to.
Oh, how about we play with our chalk? That's a good idea. Come on.
Right. Have you got your chalk there? Thank you. All right, kids, here we go. All right, a big circle. Very good. Should we put hair on it? Let's put some hair. There we go. Very good. Good job, Mia.
Wow, good job.
Now we've got serious work going on.
Where?
Nice one, Mommy. Okay, I take your box and draw you.
What is that?
It's going to make sense in a minute.
A palm tree?
A palm tree!
Wow. I'll take your palm tree.
Right?
I'm going to make...
Oh, a fish!
Fish!
Nice!
Fish!
You're more chalk. Very nice, okay. Oh, you got two halves, make one whole one. Very good. Thank you, honey.
Zion.
The man. Say hi, girls. Hi. Hi. We've just seen the fire truck.
This is cool. Nice.
We're at a kids.
Whoa! What sound does a fire truck make? Oh, what sound? And I do remember the one.
Yeah, of course.
Right? Okay, let's go, let's go.
Okay, seriously, guys, you know I've never been in one. I'm going in. A big girl's allowed to go too, Captain.
What's that?
Are big girls allowed to go too? I've lived a lifetime I have never been in a fire truck.
That's the best part, right?
Say hi to Captain.
Guys want to sit up here? What do you have? Dinosaur? Do you want to get up here?
Wow! How fun! Look at that!
So clever. You want to go in the front as well? It was really cool. I went.
Yay, you're in the fire truck, baby! Look here!
Say hi. All right, I may need a picture.
Oh, yeah. Here, I'll take a picture of you.
Can I get in? I've never been in one.
You've never been?
Never in my lifetime.
All right, she wants to go in. Yeah, I love it.
Okay,
Here's your...
it's a recording.
No, we're on duty and we're here trying to...
Okay, we gotta shut the door on you.
Okay, this is good.
Do you want to go see Grandma? You're officially in a fire truck. Yay!
I got the one.
Sit in the front.
Huh?
Sit in the front. How cool.